Hi guys, this is Cinema is a Language. I hope you guys are doing alright in these boring times of lockdowns and anxieties. Getting locked up in your own room for quite a long time and having nothing to do make you think a lot about yourself. I don't know about you, but I find this really stressful. So sometimes all you need to do is laugh a little bit and think as less as possible. Thanks to all the OTT platforms that are saving us in this difficult time. Currently streaming on Hotstar, Loot Case by the director Rajesh Krishnan is one such movie that will surely make your head lighter. Now many people don't know that Rajesh Krishnan has previously directed a web series called Tripling by the TVF, which is quite funny and brilliant as a web series. Loot Case also is quite funny. We all have wondered what would happen if we suddenly find a bag full of cash somewhere. Loot Case makes this its premise. The main lead, Nandan Kumar, brilliantly played by Kunal Khemu, suddenly while returning from his office finds a briefcase full of 2000 rupee notes. The screenplay is written by Rajesh Krishnan and Kapil Sawant, which focuses on the life and struggles of a very common printing press worker. Nandan leads a very modest life with almost nothing to show off with his wife Lata, played by Rashika Dugal, and his son. His wife is very loving and caring, but always complains about the little money Nandan earns and always advises Nandan to start a small business. Even his small kid knows about the problems of money they are having, but in a hilarious scene tells his father not to cancel his water park trip. So when Nandan discovers the bag full of pink notes, he carefully takes it to his room and thinks all his problems are going to be over. But what happens next is just the opposite. The very next scene shows us the mysterious murder of a gangster by hired gunmen. We learn the money belonged to a cunning MLA, Mr. Patil, played by Gajraj Rao. As always, Gajraj gives us a wonderful performance and provides necessary laughter. Whenever he has to order someone for doing something, he does that in a passive-aggressive way, which is hilarious. But MLA Patil is not just concerned about the 10 crore rupees in the bag, but something else that can change the course of his life. He hires a gang to find it, and the rival gang also gets involved. Vijay Raj plays the role of Bala Rathore, the head of one of those gangs. He is someone who is obsessed with watching National Geographic and believes criminals must learn their game from the animal kingdom. He is furious when his gang members don't subscribe to Nat Geo. But MLA Patil cannot trust anyone, so he blackmails an encounter freak cop, Inspector Kolte, to investigate the case. Played by Ranveer Sode, the inspector, as we can see from his behavior, loves spilling blood, and he is quite psychopathic in the way he does things. Ranveer portrays this character wonderfully well and never took it lightly. Our very own Nandan doesn't know about all this till this time, and his love affair with the bag with pink notes continues. What would he do with all the money? In fact, much of the comedy is supplied in this movie through Nandan's inability to hide the money. He cannot tell his wife cause he knows Lata will never take anything that is not their own. Now, what else is there in the bag that everybody is so obsessed with? What would happen to our Shida Shada Nandan when these dangerous people finally gets him? To know all this, you have to watch the movie, of course. But Loot Case remains a family movie throughout and uses clean humor for its comic scenes. The love story between Nandan and Lata is depicted very well, and any middle-class couple can relate to their problems and their daily life. Not just the main cast, the supporting cast also does a very good job. The movie derives its laughter through intelligently written dialogues and comic timing of its actors. But if you guys think that your belly would hurt for laughing by the time you finish watching Loot Case, then this is certainly not that kind of a movie. It doesn't have out-and-out comic scenes, nor does it have those one-liners. For the most part, you smile with this movie and not laugh. Again, the plot is so simple, so it does not allow the movie to provide laughter for 2 hours and 10 minutes of its runtime. In fact, it loses its breath only in the halfway, and literally we have to sit through till the climax. The climax is one of those Priyadarshan Gharana climax where the characters come together to create what can only be described as chaos. But unlike any other comedy, it spills blood whenever it gets the chance. Overall, it's one of those movies that is going to entertain you as you watch it, and if you don't watch it, you are not going to miss much. So, if you guys haven't watched Loot Case till now, go to Hotstar and check it out if you think this is your kind of movie. Also, let us know what do you think about our review and what can we do to make it better. We shall meet soon as we come back with a new review. Till then, goodbye and take care.